નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 10th, Subject Science, Chapter 15, Our Environment. Dear students, we have completed textual explanations. Now we will discuss text questions. First question is, what is ozone and how does it affect any ecosystem? So what is ozone? Ozone is a molecule formed by three atoms of oxygen in the presence of UV rays. Okay? The next question is, how does it affect any ecosystem? Ozone absorbs shorter wavelength UV rays from the sun. Thus, it protects the living system on the earth. Okay, now the next question is, how can you help in reducing the problem of waste disposal? And give any two methods. So we can help by the following methods. First one, biodegradable domestic waste such as leftover food, fruits, vegetable, fish, dry leaves, and other waste of garden can be buried in a pit. They are converted into compost and used as manure. The second one, waste materials such as tin, cans, paper, glass, metallic, these are all can be recycled. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Now, the next question is, now see the exercise. Which of the following groups contain only biodegradable items? Which one? Grass, flower, and leather. Okay, this one. And then grass, wood, plastic. Oh no, here this is not biodegradable. Fruits, peels, cake, and lime juice. Yes, this is biodegradable. Cake, food, and grass. This is also biodegradable. So answer is A, C, and then D. Okay. Now next question is, which of the following constitute a food chain? Which one? Grass, wheat, and mango. Grass, goat, and human. Goat, human, and elephant. Grass, fish, and goat. What it may be? Yes, grass, goat, and human. Okay, next one. Which of the following are environmental friendly practices? Carrying cloth bags to put purchases while shopping. Yes, this is environmental friendly. Switching off unnecessary lights and fans. Yes, this is also environmental friendly. Walking to school instead of getting your mother to drop you on her scooter. Yes, this is also environmental. So your answer is all of these. Okay. Now, question number 4. What will happen if we kill all the organisms in one trophic level? So what will happen? If you kill all the organisms in one trophic level, then organisms of next trophic level will not get food, and the entire food chain gets disturbed. So all the organisms which are depend on these are died. Okay, so these are the problems will happen if you kill all the organisms in one trophic level. Now the next question is, will the impact of removing all the organisms in a trophic level will be different for different trophic levels? Yes. The impact of removing all the organisms in a tropic level will be different for different tropic levels. Removal of producers will affect the organisms, all the organisms of successive tropic levels. Okay, it will be a threat to the survival. So, the removal of organisms at the higher tropic level will lead to increase in the organisms of lower tropic level. Okay. Now the next question, can the organisms of any tropic level be removed with causing any damage to the ecosystem? Removal of organisms of any tropic level will cause the damage to the ecosystem. Okay. Now question number 6, what is biological magnification? What do you mean by you are saying biological magnification means what? Okay, so answer you will say a successive, a progressive increase in the concentration of non-biodegradable substances in organisms at each tropic level, successive tropic level is known as biological magnification. Clear now? Will the levels of the magnification will be different at different levels of ecosystem? The question. Yes. The level of the biological magnification will be different at different trophic levels of the ecosystem. Maximum concentration will be at the 3rd and 4th tropic level, and concentration of chemical will be less at the lower tropic levels. Okay, these are the points you have to write in these answers. What are the problems caused by the non-biodegradable wastes that can be generated? What are the problems? The problem is, the problem of this question is, what is the question? This one, it causes the biological magnification. It prevents the growth of vegetation. Next, it may harm various members of the ecosystem, and there is an imbalance of the food chains causing the problems in ecosystem. Now the question number 8, if all the waste we generate is biodegradable, will this have no impact on the environment? Yes, if all the waste we generate is biodegradable and if properly allowed it to decompose, then it will have no impact on the environment. Okay, they should be properly managed. The next question, why is damage to the ozone layer a cause for concern? Damage to the ozone layer is a cause for concern because depletion of the ozone layer allows harmful ultraviolet radiation to reach to the surface of the earth, which may lead to skin cancer, cataract, etc. Now next is question is given, what steps are being taken to limit this damage? For this, to reduce the damage to the ozone layer, use of chlorofluorocarbons has been minimized. In 1987, the UNEP, United Nations Environmental Program, has passed an agreement to freeze CFC production at 1986 levels. So, this will protect the ozone layer and subsequent effects of radiation. Okay, dear students, these are the questions of these lessons. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you for joining us